Hi guys, what's up? My name is John and I am recording this video to tell you everything you need to know about Woodprofits before you actually buy the product. And on top of that, I also have two extremely important warnings to tell you throughout this video, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. Well folks, the first thing you need to know is that due to this incredible success of Woodprofits, unfortunately, many people end up selling this counterfeit product on the internet. Be very careful with that. I don't know about you, but I've always been afraid of shopping on the internet because unfortunately there are many scammers out there trying to rip you off. So I always try to buy from the official site, and you need to do the same thing. And to make your life easier, I'll leave the official site link here in the description of this video and also in the first comment. Because Woodprofits is only sold on the official site. This way you are protected from any problem and you don't run any risk because you are buying from the official site. So guys, Woodprofits is a step-by-step guide to start your carpentry business at home with minimum capital, where you will learn how to get a good extra income, turning your passion into profits and working right from your garage. Where you do not need to be a professional carpenter or own a huge workshop with expensive machinery to succeed. Another question people have is if it works. The answer is that it does, because Woodprofits is a complete guide with audio accompaniment that will take you from where you are today to owning a thriving home woodworking business in your spare time. With the experiences of Jim Morgan, who shows you everything he knows about how to start, run and grow a great woodworking business in your home. So Personal is an instantly downloadable guide with MP3 audio transcription and CD, so you can listen to it in your car on the way to work and whenever you want, where you will learn how to start and successfully operate a highly successful home carpentry business. Another very important thing that I need to tell you about is the results. Many people are already having results, and you can check on the producer's official website. It will show you that these people are already having results. And another very important thing is the guarantee. When you buy the product, you will see that there is a guarantee from the producer, where this way you have more security in your purchase. There is an unconditional guarantee. Even on the product's website shows this guarantee that you will get. This guarantee is 60 days after your purchase. This means that you have 2 full months to test and see if it really works and if it is for you. So guys, another important thing is the payment system. Guys, the payment system is excellent, where you will see there the facilities that exist when buying this product. You will see that you have the option to buy with credit card or PayPal. So you will not need to worry when buying the product. Even because this platform is highly reliable, it has all the security seals of the platform. You won't run any risk buying Woodprofits. Well folks, as I told you about the system, it has total reliability in the whole purchase process if you buy from the official site. So do not fall into the hands of picks that can make you unfortunately lost your money. The second point that I told you is the guarantee of 60 days of Woodprofits, where you have this special guarantee where you just send an email if you want to request your refund, where within the terms of warranty that is there on the official site you will receive your pocket if you do not like the product. And also regarding the payment system that will facilitate your life in time to make your payment there by credit card or PayPal, all discreetly in a very quiet way, so you can start having your results that this product can provide. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful about the website where you are going to buy Woodprofits, and also, if you buy the product, follow the complete guide to start your home carpentry business. Because just as it has changed the lives of thousands of people, yours can also be extremely impacted by it. And by following the right step-by-step, you too can have your life transformed just like other people have as well. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's, because you and I are different from each other. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that Woodprofits really helps you to create a successful, thriving home woodworking business like you have always dreamed of. I'll stop here, and until next time guys.